Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous right now. I don't usually go live on my personal main feed. I usually only go live in groups I have for my businesses. Um, but I have something so exciting I want to share. Made a huge milestone. And so I'm here to share that with you. I know it's not the best time of the day for people to hop on and join, but hopefully there'll be somebody here live that I can chat with. But if you're not familiar, I have been on a mission with multiple businesses that I've set up. Um, and my mission has always been in my business to help support homeowners to live in their dream home, whether that's as a real estate agent to find them a new home because the one they currently have isn't working, or as the support I put together for those DIY people out there who want to redesign their home, renovate, um, do all those kind of things. And I also do full service design support for people. Pretty much whatever it takes to get your home to be your dream home. That's my mission. Um, I've always had a passion for this since I was a kid. It led me to my degree in architecture that I got from the University of Illinois like 100 years ago. I'm not going to date myself, but it was a while ago. Um, like I said, now I'm a real estate agent in Illinois here, which I love doing. And then I have a blog to help inspire you to create your dream home um, where you already live or put together design packages, like I said, for your home. And most of you have checked out my Etsy shop where I have created digital tools, whether it be home maintenance, design tools, whatever you need to DIY yourself to your dream home. Um, other, the only product I've had that wasn't digital is see that the home renovation planner. So this is a binder that I put together, a whole bunch of worksheets, instructions, everything you need, a budget planner, anything you need from start to finish, from design to finished product of renovating any space in your home. Um, that has been on Etsy for over a year now. If you haven't checked it out, again, I'll put links in the comments so you guys can go check everything out. But even though this is definitely cheaper than hiring an interior designer, it's still a pretty high price point. Those parents out there know that binders aren't cheap, and printing's not that cheap either. So I have been on a mission to make this more affordable and more available to people out there so that you can feel confident in creating spaces in your home that you love. Your home is your sanctuary. It should be where you escape from the rest of the world. It should not be a place where you come home and just aren't happy, right? You should be calm. It should be a place you love. So today I want to show you my newest products. I'm so amazed by this, guys. Like, I had no idea this was available, but I have been able to put the home renovation planner on Amazon. I have published Interior Design Handbook for Beginners, which is basically the binder that I had on Etsy in a book form and available on Amazon. And taking it out of the binder and printing with Amazon, who has this amazing program for people to author books like this. Um, I've been able to really lower the price point on this. So I'm so excited, you guys. This book is so full, just like the binder. It has everything in there. Let me just show you really quick the um, table of contents so you can kind of see if I can get to the table. Oh, there it is. It's in big print, so it might not fit in the page, right? So on here we have anywhere from knowing your home, How old is your furnace? Do you know? To home maintenance, there's a design studio, create your budget, complete your project, and then there's 10 years worth of home maintenance checklists in the back of this. So in the back of this book, after you read through with all the instructions and how to use all the worksheets that are in here, you also have the maintenance checklists. And you can see with the year here, each page is a full year, whether it's broken up monthly, annually, quarterly, it's all here with explanation on how to use it. And then in the back of the book, you'll find copies of worksheets to cover 4 projects in your home, starting with this room audit. And this is designed, one pager, to go fill out for each of your rooms to kind of see what do you actually want to keep and what do you want to change. Like flooring's fine, we can keep that, we like our wood. We definitely need new curtains. Maybe we need to move a wall, whatever it is, you put it on here. Then you have it on one page. What exactly do we want to do in this room? And it's not exact, it's a general. So you have a scope of work. So those are just a couple small things in this book to get you through a project in your home. Here's a budget planner. There's worksheets in here for design. If you're not quite sure how to create your design, we have the decision planner. Which color do you want? What's your color scheme going to be? What's your color palette? All of these things in here. I'm so excited about this, obviously, and I'm so glad that I was able to get that on Amazon. Free shipping with Prime, I believe. I double checked that. And lower price points, so it's more accessible to more people here. And that's not the only thing I have, because another product, it's been a digital product only on Etsy, is a home maintenance workbook. Etsy has where you can just get the one-sheeter digitally, PDF printed out, and then you'll just print it each year to check off your home maintenance tasks so you don't forget anything. But I have a whole workbook, home maintenance workbook. So not only are all the checklists in here, but there's tips, different things you need to know about your home, and all, like you saw in the interior design handbook for beginners. These checklists are also in there, but it's not as detailed on home maintenance as it is in here. And again, on Amazon, guys. So cool. I cannot even believe it. So I'll put a link to this in there as well. Some really cool things in here. Warranty trackers for appliances and different things that you buy. You want to make sure it's all in one place. There's a spot in here for your contractor list. So anytime you have work done at your home, you can put all their contact information in here. You can give them a little rating so you remember for next time if you actually want to call them again or not. Just so exciting. I had to share here live. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything really quick. And again, like this, I'm so excited about this because, like I said, from a childhood, I've always been passionate about designing homes and designing homes specifically to the people who are living there. Everybody has a different idea of how a home should work and how a home should make you feel and what your dream home is. So if you have any questions, obviously reach out to me, DM me, post in the comments here. If you have a renovation binder planner and you'd like to share your experience with it, I would love to hear, and maybe you can share with everybody else and just post in the comments. That would be great as well. But that it is. I just had to share. If anybody was here live, I wasn't able to check. Hi, I apologize, I didn't check. But you guys enjoy the rest of your day and hope to hear from you guys.